Hi, I'm Chandra Vishal. My department number is 11VC112 and I'm going to talk about ocean pollution and the causes and the effects of ocean pollution. Pollution in the ocean is the major problem that is affecting the ocean. Ocean pollution directly affects ocean organisms and indirectly affects human health and resources and so on. Toxic waste, oil spill and dumping of wastage materials are the major sources of ocean pollution. People should learn about ocean pollution because if they come to know about ocean pollution, they will know how to stop the pollution. Coming to toxic waste. Toxic waste are the harmful materials that are being dumped into the ocean. They harm many plants, animals and have a very great impact on health. When toxic waste harms an organism, it can be easily passed along the food chain and ends up being a seafood. When toxic waste attacks an organism, it gets eaten by another animal, which gets eaten by another large animal and ends up being a seafood. Toxic waste in seas and oceans are due to the leakage of farms, landfills, dumps and mines. Farm chemicals and heavy materials from factories can have a very harmful effect on marine life and animals. Toxic waste reduces the population of fish in the ocean. One of the very harmful element in the toxic waste is lead. Lead can cause a very harmful effect in the people. It can damage our brain cells, kidneys and our reproductive systems. Lead can also cause defect in the birth of human. It causes low IQ process, growth development and some hearing problems. Car and house paints, lead batteries, fishing lures and some parts of bullet, ceramic ware and fixtures can also give off lead into the ocean. Garbage dumping. Garbage dumping is the dumping of harmful materials like human waste, ground up garbage, bathing water and other plastics into the ocean. Most of the waste that are being dumped into the ocean in the early 1990s are still there today. One of the main causes of garbage dumping is due to sewage drains which share their space with stormwater drains. When rainfall causes sewage pipes to overflow and sewage water mixes with stormwater drains which leads to another natural source like lakes or river. When this garbage dumps mixed with water, they kill plants and other animals in the lakes and river. For example, plastic rings around pop cans can get into the necks of animals causing them to suffocate and makes the water dirty. Another important thing in the ocean pollution is oil pollution. Pollution is the major problem in the sunlight zone. Oil pollution is the major one which is taking place in the sunlight zone. There are two main causes of oil pollution. One is big ships leaking oil into the ocean and the other one is big ships carrying ocean crashing into things into the ocean. I'm going to present you an animation about water pollution which gives us some preventive ways to control water pollution and water wastage.
Water pollution. What causes water pollution? Marine dumping. Dumping of litter in the sea causes water pollution and it is a major problem for the marine animals. Oil pollution. Ocean water is polluted by oil through oil spill, routine shipping and industries dumping. Sewage. Houses and industries produce wastewater that causes pollution in the lakes and rivers. Underground storage leakage. Leakages in the underground storage tanks, or pipes such as petroleum storage causes water pollution. How can we stop water pollution? You can prevent water pollution by following few simple guidelines. These guidelines can be followed in your everyday life. Don't let water run while you are washing or brushing your teeth. This will help preventing water wastage. and it reduces the amount of contaminated water that needs treatment. Use environment-friendly household products like toiletries, soap-based household cleaning material, and washing powder as far as possible. Check your vehicles for any leaks that could pollute waterways when flushed down in city drains. Many car repairs businesses accept the used oil for recycling. So give the oil from your vehicles for recycling. Try not to overuse pesticides and fertilizers. This will prevent runoffs of the polluting materials into the nearby water sources. By having more plants in your garden, you are preventing fertilizer, pesticides and contaminated water from running off into nearby water sources. Don't throw litter into rivers, lakes, or oceans. Clean the litter, if you see it, in rivers, lakes, or on beaches.
EBS செய்திகளுக்காக சந்திரவேல் சார்.